Hi everyone. Today I shall discuss about the electric field intensity in between and outside two parallel plates which are of the same charge density and oppositely charged. दो समांतर प्लेटों के मध्य और उनके बाहर स्थित किसी बिंदु पर वैद्युत क्षेत्र का निर्धारण किया जाएगा और दोनों प्लेटें समान आवेश पृष्ठ घनत्व की हैं। उनके मध्य स्थित बिंदु पर अथवा उनके बाहर स्थित बिंदु पर वैद्युत क्षेत्र की तीव्रता ज्ञात करना है। ओके, let us consider this to be plate 1 and this to be plate 2. This is positively charged and this is negatively charged, and there is a point P which is located in between these two plates here, where electric field has to be determined. माना दोनों प्लेटों में से ये प्लेट P1 है और ये प्लेट 2 है। दोनों प्लेटों के मध्य स्थित किसी बिंदु P पर वैद्युत क्षेत्र को ज्ञात करना है। प्लेट P1 धनावेशित है, प्लेट 2 ऋणावेशित है और दोनों पर आवेश पृष्ठीय घनत्व बराबर बराबर है। इफ सरफेस चार्ज डेंसिटी on both the plates is sigma, then electric field due to plate P1, this one, E1 equals sigma upon 2 epsilon naught. Since it has positive charge, therefore direction of electric field will be away from the positive charge. चूंकि इस पर धनात्मक आवेश है अतः वैद्युत क्षेत्र E1 की दिशा बिंदु P पर इससे दूर की दिशा में है। मीन्स प्लेट 1 से प्लेट 2 की ओर। Now electric field due to this plate which is negatively charged means due to plate 2, that is E2 equals sigma upon twice epsilon naught. Since this plate is negatively charged, therefore electric field at the point P will be towards negative charge. Therefore direction of E2 will be from plate P1 to plate 2. From plate 1 to plate 2. Here if we see the direction of the electric field of E1 as well as of E2, यदि हम वैद्युत क्षेत्र E1 और E2 की दिशा को देखते हैं तो दोनों की दिशाएं एक ही हैं। Therefore resultant of these two electric fields will be vector summation of these two electric vectors. Therefore resultant electric field E equals E1 plus E2, because E1 and E2 both are directed in the same direction. Therefore we add up these two electric fields. Therefore we find sigma over 2 epsilon naught plus sigma upon 2 epsilon naught equals sigma upon epsilon naught. Therefore, electric field between the plates equals sigma upon epsilon naught. Therefore, E equals सिग्मा अपान एप्सिलॉन नॉट। अतः दोनों प्लेटों के मध्य वैद्युत क्षेत्र सिग्मा अपान एप्सिलॉन नॉट के बराबर है। नाउ सपोज a point P outside of these two plates. The electric field due to plate 1 direction will be P1 to T, means in this way, means from plate 1 to the plate 2. Now E2 electric field due to this plate which is negatively charged sigma upon 2 epsilon naught. Since plate 2 is negatively charged, therefore electric field will be directed towards the negatively charged plate. It is E2. Therefore, its direction is from plate 2 to plate 1. Therefore, resultant electric field will be vector sum of D1 and D2. If we consider the direction towards right hand side to be positive, then the direction towards left hand side must be negative. Therefore, it will be sigma upon 2 epsilon naught minus sigma upon 2 epsilon naught equals 0. Therefore, electric field outside the two plates will be 0 if and only if the plates have the same surface charge density. Otherwise, resultant electric field at a point outside these two plates will not be 0. Pay attention, electric field intensity at the point outside these two plates will be 0 if and only if the surface charge density on both the plates is the same. Okay, thanks for watching the video. The detail of this one has been explained on this page here, this one. Therefore, you can take help from this page. Okay, thanks.